This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Buddy Keeter. Relax in this 1,800 square feet end unit townhome located in the highly desirable community of Northern Suffolk. Upon entering, you will be greeted by a spacious open floor plan, with the kitchen seamlessly flowing into the vaulted ceiling living room, which includes a natural gas fireplace. The first floor also features a half bath, a sizable primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom complete with a jetted tub and double-headed shower, a laundry room, and access to the attached garage. The second floor includes a very spacious loft area, 2 generous bedrooms, and an additional full bathroom. Step outside to enjoy the front porch or the private backyard, which features a patio and fencing for added privacy. The landscaping and yard maintenance are handled by the Property Owners Association. The neighborhood also boasts an updated playground for residents to enjoy. This unit has been meticulously maintained, featuring a brand new HVAC system, and is competitively priced for a quick sale. October 24, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Buddy Keeter at 757-935-9000.